This newer Cape Cod is located on a large private lot and has many lovely features. The main floor offers a very open concept with in-floor heating, beautiful birch cabinets in the kitchen, large bathroom and cozy bedrooms. Upstairs you will find 2 loft areas looking over the main floor, lots of storage space, and a balcony overlooking the huge backyard. This is a quality home with the benefits of quiet, rural living yet minutes to all amenities. Call today for a viewing.